Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS here. How are you today? In this video, we're going to share the work that we will finish in the HINO truck. Probably the fastest time that we finished in the truck, and we want to tell you actually how long it will take us. Okay, the truck come here at 6:15 p.m. and we actually spend some spare time, extra time to prepare the system. So basically now it is 7:55, which is 1 hour and yeah, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yep, 1 hour 40 minutes. But minus about 10 minutes for other things. So actually it takes us 1.5 hours to complete to this point, and that is with the condition that the factory system was not working, the head unit was not working, and we plug in our design system and it come up with the power speaker and with the reverse camera directly connect to our system here. So there's no surprise from the truck because everything was working except the head unit from the factory didn't work anymore. Other parts of the truck still working, speaker working, wiring working, and the factory camera still waiting there for us to connect. And that's the reason why we can finish in 1.5 hours of the job. And it's beautifully done with the 9-inch regular system up to now, and with the wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which you see on the screen is wireless Android Auto right now. So yep, it's already finished, and have a look here at how the truck actually reversed. This one 2017 and HINO truck with the truck reverse, and you see the truck behind the truck here, that's the factory camera from the roof of the truck looking down to the ground, and it's absolutely good right now because it's already 8 p.m. in Sydney, and you can see how clear and clean and how bright it is on the screen here. It have to achieve a very bright screen for the reverse camera right now, even though outside it is much darker than what see and what show up on that screen. So we are very happy with that, and the driver actually just waiting outside for the collection right now. Very special exception of the work because the truck coming from quite a bit distant from Sydney. They're coming from Nora, and yeah, very happy night, and driving home with this one, with the new one that can see the camera very well at the back end, and with the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, absolutely an enjoyment right now for the driver. So safe driving, and yeah, thanks for watching. And you now know that if you can finish less than 1.5 hours, you probably will beat MPX Auto. You will beat us in terms of installation for our system here. But don't make it too rush, okay? Don't make it too short. Just spend time enough and make it good enough to do the work. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.